Okay, I am going to show you how to make some amazing 4-ingredient gelato. And I'm not even sure I'm going to measure it. This is how easy it is. I've got some organic raw cashews. I'm going to dump them right in here. Looks like that's about the right amount. Then I've got some coconut sugar. I use the Terrasol brand. Terrasol, excuse me. And I'm gonna use, there's about 4 cups of cashews, and I'm gonna end up with about 2 cups of coconut sugar. And then this is some organic ground espresso from Pete's Coffee. And I'm gonna go with about almost half a cup of that. And then it's just water. So far I think we're about 1 minute into this process. All right, now I'm gonna turn off the camera while I start the blender, and then we'll see what happens after that. All right, just a little bit of noise there, so I'm only gonna do this for a minute. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna tell you is that you want the Vitamix to be laboring just a little bit, but you wanna have it get really smooth. So you're just gonna blend it for as long as you can, and when you see no more particulates in it, then it's ready to go. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna just spatula this stuff out. Spatula.